Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is YBK Inside Talks and andito ako ngayon sa Western Union, and ito yung mga magaganda at napaka-accommodating at napakabait na employees ng Western Union. And they also, naintriga lang ako kasi meron silang queuing system. Hindi ko siya alam kasi because it's my first time to come and visit this place. Yun. So, ito yung queuing system nila. So, magta-type in ka your name. So, I typed in Yuridela Pon. And then, syempre, pseudonym lang yan. And then, we have, after that, done ka na. And then, next. And then, check mo kung ano yung transaction mo. Ano ba, magbabayad ka ba ng bills or kukuha ka ba ng pera o ayun. So let's say ayun ang ano ko, and then I got my numbers, number 62 ako. So you're gonna wait until they call on your name or your number. So ganon lang yung kadali. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys learn from this video, and thank you.